Okay, we're up on level 2. We're talking about the rated access ceiling. So this right here was the old rated wall. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a lid from here over here. And so on the ground, we're going to have a rated wall that goes over here and back, and a lid that goes from here over to our new rated wall. And so inside that, we're going to add some access doors. We're going to add a 24-inch access door for that. We're going to add another 24-inch access door for that. We're going to add a 12-inch access door for this, and a 24-inch access door for that. And so by doing that, we're avoiding a fire smoke damper here, and we're avoiding a fire smoke damper here, and a fire smoke damper here, and a fire smoke damper here. So that is level 2. Okay, this is level 1 over by the transaction counter. We used to have a rated wall right here. This rated wall now has moved over here. So now we're adding a fire smoke damper here, putting a damper here. We're adding a damper here, putting a damper here. I think that's it. Oh, over here. So here's that rated wall again. If you look over here, there's a fire damper here. This is an existing duct, does not have a damper in an existing firewall. We're not adding one to it unless someone tells us we need to. So there's the transaction counter. This is just right over here. Okay, this is over by the drinking fountain. There's where the drinking fountain goes. This is the elevator machine room. And what used to be here is a firewall that came from the drinking fountain over this direction. There's an existing damper right here. And what we did is we moved this firewall over to here. And so in this wall, we're looking at a damper up here, adding a damper here, adding a damper here. So 3 dampers. Next to this is this little transfer duct that's capped that we're not planning on adding a damper to. So that's the drinking fountain area. Okay, this is the waiting area. So there used to be a rated wall that went through here over this wall here. And what we're doing is we're taking that rating all the way back here. So in this area, we think we missed this one originally on the takeoff, but there's a little 6-inch guy right here. We need to add a damper here. There used to be a damper here, and we need to relocate that over to this wall here. And then we're going to add a damper here, all the way back there. And there's a 10-inch guy right there. So that's the waiting area. And based upon all the access in this area, this is scheduled to be a hard lid. And we're going to have, you know, an access panel for this, access panel for this. We need to get up and do all this fire smoke damper work. So we would have to leave this ceiling out. Therefore, we're proposing switching this to acoustical tile so we can do this in the future. Oh, there's another access point over here. Okay.